Hello, we are Wholesale LED lighting fixture manufacturing company. We are a professional manufacturer of various types of lighting fixtures. Tell us your needs, and our factory's professional team will serve you. Wholesale LED is a Horisung LED lighting manufacturing company with an independent LED lighting production factory. Provide global customers with lighting fixture manufacturing, production, wholesale, and undertake OEM. We manufacture lighting items for industrial lighting, public lighting, commercial lighting, office lighting, and residential lighting. Our factory specializes in the production of UFO, highbay, street light, floodlight, wall light, gas station lights, canopy lamp, linear light, ceiling lights, downlights, lawn lights, etc. Contact us to learn more about our products and services or www.wholesale.com.